back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my Christmas pasta bake. It's very easy, simple and great for feeding a crowd. It is a Brussels sprout and chestnut pasta bake. It's so delicious. So to start off, I'm going to just heat my oven to 200 degrees. Okay, now we'll get underway with the Brussels sprout part. So I've got 450 grams of sprouts here. I'm just going to chop off the bottom and halve them then into my roasting tray. If you have any horrible outer leaves as well, just pull them off as you're cutting off the bottom. And that's the sprout part done. Next, I have 150 grams of bacon lardons. Use pancetta, cut up to your own streaky bacon, whatever you've got. It doesn't really matter. So next, I'm going to just help this along a little with some garlic infused oil here, just a tablespoon or so. Give it a bit of a rustle about. And then I'm just going to pop these into the oven as they are, and these will roast while my water from my pasta is heating up and I'm getting on with the sauce. So we'll just get a large pot of water on for the pasta. Get rid of this, having a bit of a tidy up as I do. Just get on with the bechamel part of it. Turn the heat on over my pan, and I'm adding 75 grams of butter here. Just want that to melt, won't take long. And then I have 75 grams of plain flour. And there it goes. So it's very easy, equal measures, equal weight of butter and flour, and then just stir it all together over a low heat. You want to cook out the flour slightly so that you don't end up with a floury tasting sauce at the end, but not so much as that it browns. Okay, so that has its time, and now I'm just going to add in 500 ml of milk in thirds. It's just, I find the easiest way to do it is to remove it from the heat and stir in a third at a time. It just helps prevent getting lumps. The residual heat in the pan will make this really thick in no time at all. Okay, that's all mixed in smoothly, so my next bit of milk. And the remainder. I can put this back in the heat and just continue to stir until it all thickens up. Well, that's coming back to temperature. I'm going to just finely grate in 25 grams of Parmesan cheese. quick stir again. So my bechamel has thickened up. I'm just going to turn off the heat underneath. Another final little just whisk through. And then I'm going to add a heaped tablespoon of Dijon mustard and mix that through. Now it might seem very thick at this stage, but don't let that worry you. We'll be loosening it up a little before we use it. Salt. And some ground white pepper. Just give that a taste. Perfect. I can come off the heat until needed. So we'll just check on the pasta water and see how that's coming along. Perfect, we're almost there. Ready to salt. It's always better to salt just before adding your pasta because the water comes to the boil quicker. So I'm ready for my pasta. So I'm using a penne pasta here, but you can use anything you want. Fusilli, rigatoni, I could go on, but we'll not. And just cook it according to the packet instructions. This says it will take 11 minutes, so about the 10-minute mark I'll check it. And that's 500 grams of pasta I'm using. Stick that on there. And I'll just have a casual tidy up while I'm waiting for the pasta to cook. Before draining the pasta, reserve a cup of the pasta cooking water. Retrieve the roasted Brussels sprouts and the pancetta from the oven. Dip the pasta into the roasted sprouts and give everything a quick stir together. Stir the reserved pasta cooking water into the bechamel sauce until an even, smooth consistency is achieved. Crumble over 180 grams of cooked, peeled, vacuum-packed chestnuts. Give everything a quick toss together and then give a final splattering of grated Parmesan or any other cheese of your choice and return to the oven again for 30 minutes or until the top is blistered and golden brown. It's had its time in the oven now. It's best to leave it to sit just for a little while to cool slightly, but I'm going to have myself some right away. It's really, really good. The roasted Brussels sprouts, it really brings out their nuttiness, and the saltiness of the pancetta and the saltiness of the Parmesan are just fantastic with it. So guys, if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.